guys, so I'm back at it again with another makeup look, and as you guys can see, my eyebrows already did and I prepped and primed my face, and I'm about to go in with my It's My Rary palette, and I'm going to use that burnt orange color there. I think it's called Spice, and apply that all into my crease and blend it out to perfection until I'm satisfied with it. So I'm going in with that same blending brush and applying the color Control Freak again into my crease, just to have a layer of nice colors. So I'm going to use that lighter color called Mousse and applying that with a flat brush onto like half of my lid, just so I could prep it for the little shimmer colors I want to put there. So I'm going in with that glittery color called Fairy Tale, and just applying that everywhere where I applied mousse, just so I can brighten up my eye look a little bit, but like not too much. So now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal mascara, and I'm just applying some mascara to my lashes. So a little hack of mine is I also apply mascara to my eyebrows because I want to get that more natural look. I think it looks really well and it works a lot better for me than brow gels because I do have like long eyebrow hairs. Anyways, as I'm a word fart. I'm about to put on my lashes right now, and I'm not even sure where they're from, but I struggled so much with putting on these lashes. Like, my nails were too long for me to do anything, and I hate using tweezers to apply my lashes. So I was struggling so much, and as you guys can see, my lashes aren't even on properly, and I was so annoyed, and I was just tired with it, so I just left it like that. Alright, so I'm applying my Too Faced mascara. No. I'm applying my Too Faced foundation to my face in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just going to use my Real Techniques blending sponge just to blend that all in. And guys, I am so sorry about the angles. I did not realize like it cut off at some parts. And you guys just kind of have to bear with me. I really wanted to upload something for you guys, so I was going to work with this video. And my next video is going to be so much better than this, I promise you guys. So bear with me with this one. So I'm going to highlight and conceal right now, and I'm using my favorite concealer right now. It's the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's in the color Tans Bronze, and I'm just going to place that everywhere I would highlight my face. And I'm just going to blend that out again with my same sponge I used to do for my foundation. It's time for baking, which is like the most important part to me for my makeup. So I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just placing that everywhere I applied my concealer just so it sets and my face looks really snatched. So I'm going back to It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to use those two darkest shades, Mocha and Brownie Bite, to contour my face. So I'm going to contour my nose, cheekbones, forehead, jawline, you know, what we do usually contour. And yeah, you guys can see how I contour. So now I'm going in with this brush, I'm not sure what name it is, but I'm just using it to wipe off all that excess powder. And like I said, I like to blend my powder into my skin because it helps me not get any flashback. So that's what I'm doing now, and just clearing off all that excess powder. So I'm going again with my It's My Ray Ray palette, and I love this palette, and I'm using the color Moonlight as my highlight shade today. And this color is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of Rihanna's Trophy Wife, but I like this one better because I feel like it's more workable and it's not as yellow. But this color is so pretty, and you guys need to get this palette because this palette has everything you need. Like, it's the perfect palette. Like, it has your contours, your highlight, and so many eyeshadow range, and it's so pigmented. But yeah, so I'm just gonna use that in highlighting my face, and you guys can see. I should stop rambling now. For lips today, I'm going to use my Lime Crime lipstick, and the first shade I'm using today is Saint, and I'm just applying that into like the middle of my lips, even though you guys can barely see. And then the second lipstick I apply is Teddy Bear by Lime Crime again, and I'm just going to blend those two together, and that's going to help me create the perfect look. And that's about it for the makeup look today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell below so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And I love you guys, and have a great day, and Happy New Year, and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye!